We are subscriber blessers, and that's what we do. I know it's hard to believe that all you have to do is subscribe. Well, embrace it, believe it, it's true. You should subscribe because 5 subscribers are randomly chosen every week on Fridays. They are given a GoFundMe and other subscribers simply loaded up with cash. Be about it. Are you thinking there's more to it? Well, there's not. It's a real deal. We're gonna pick 5 people every week. After you've subscribed, then go to the comment box below and leave a comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blesser." After you do this, you can be chosen for the next week's Subscriber Blessers picks. You can be given a GoFundMe that will be active for 5 days for other subscribers to send you cash for any or no reason at all. It's true. And you too can give to other subscribers whenever you choose. So go ahead, go to the description box below to find the GoFundMe links for the 5 subscribers who've been chosen, and click to be a giver. And remember, if you're a subscriber, you can be next. If you're already a subscriber, you can click on our new video and simply leave us a new comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blessed." And we add you again to that amazing pool, giving you another chance to be selected. And you can do this week after week after week, over and over again. And this will go on and on and on. All you do is check in every week to see what we've got. It may be your name. You can check in every day to get info on those GoFundMes for our wonderful, awesome, lovely, intelligent subscribers. That's right. Those that are making almost all the world rich these days. That's pretty much it. That's all. Oh, the money? Well, subscribers are givers to other subscribers. You can give anything, 99 cents or $9,999 or more, because subscribers like stuff too. You know, like stuff, like shiny things, and paid tuition, and paid off mortgages, or building a yurt in the countryside. Or, for those of you who don't know what a yurt is, it's like a luxury tent. That's swag. Are subscribers deserving of this? You know the answer, of course they are. And while you're here, watch a 5-minute clip to get a few ideas about money stuff, you know? How money works, insurance, stocks, and the list goes on. That's all. No, that's really all. Really. Why not subscribe? You can just click it. Click it. Click it. That's right. Great. Now that that's all done, be sure to check your notifications for a comment reply from us to let you know you've been selected as one of the 5 people to receive GoFundMes. Keep watching for their chance to be given cash. It's great. It's nice. It just feels right. Oh, one more thing. Be sure to be a giver to your fellow subscribers. You can be selected next. And we'll post a short interview on who got the cash. Okay, that's it. That's really it. That's all. Thanks for subscribing, and keep a lookout for your name on Subscriber Blessers. Hit that bell for all the new videos coming your way. So just keep living, smiling, enjoying, and more enjoying, full of enjoyment, and you get the gist. Like we said earlier, we invite you to take 5 minutes to check out Money Moves. 5 minutes of information that we all need to hear. This is a bonus from us to you, and you can really use this. Let's check it out. Welcome to Money Moves. In just 5 minutes, we're going to give you a great idea on how to thank money for you and your family.
Here's a great money move. Did you know that insurance is a must in these days because it's impossible to know what tomorrow will bring? Here at Money Moves, we just want to give you some info and some tips on how it works. The main question for most people is, what is insurance? And many people need the details. So what is this great financial move about? It's called life insurance. Life insurance is what we would like to call love insurance. Why worry about the people you care for the most when there's a great solution? Besides, somebody has to do it. There should be a solid financial fortress built around the future of loved ones in every family. The objective is to balance the bridge of lack, bringing your family security and comfort and a great peace of mind. Here's how you may want to approach things. You see, whether it is a little or a lot, whether it's a small policy of coverage for your family or a large policy, there must be coverage. And coverage is love insurance. And so, we'll just give you a short description of how it works. After you've learned how simple it is and how it works, there are many reputable insurance companies out there that you can choose from, but it's important that you do choose rightly. So let's work our ears right now to hear and to understand the easy and necessary details of having term life insurance and the different ways that it works. Because your children, your family, they are the loves of your life. Therefore, insurance is key. It's a way for them to know that somebody really cared about their futures. They cared about us. So here's how to walk into this kind endeavor of buying term life insurance with confidence. So there's a type of life insurance policy that works for almost all cases concerning paying out monetary benefits to your family and or your spouse. In the case of someone dying in your family, there's a type of life insurance called term life. Here's how it works. Term life insurance is simply an affordable way to be sure that your family would be provided for in the case of death. They would be eligible to receive a death benefit. And it works like this. It is good that you choose a well-known insurance company with a great reputation for properly serving customers and sticking to their policies and corporate promise to serve their clients. You can also choose the length of the term life insurance that you prefer. Be sure to make some calculations, listing some future needs of your beneficiaries. Then, make a list, such as college tuition, paying bills, buying property. This can help you in knowing how much coverage of insurance is needed to make life easier for your loved ones if you should expire. Secondly, choose the level term of payment, which is whether you choose to pay monthly or other terms of payment, all according to a company's policies or payment agreements. Now, what's so great about term life insurance is that your payment will be consistent. It will not go higher or lower. It will stay the same, making it more manageable for you with no surprises. And here's another wonderful feature of this type of insurance policy. Your loved ones will not have to pay taxes. That's right. There are different types of policies that would assure the beneficiary that they would not have to pay taxes on any payment or benefit that they would receive. Imagine no taxes. Now that's to be celebrated. There's also flexibility. You can change a term life policy into a permanent one without having to take a medical exam. You see, there are many of these policies out there, so do your research. Life insurance allows you to say to yourself, everything's going to be okay. And it's true. When you take on a life insurance policy for your family, you would have peace in knowing that your family is covered. And this alone would put your mind at ease. Also, keep in mind that you can always do a search for additional information concerning term life insurance. You will find some of the best companies in the business. Do your research on how long an insurance company has been operating. Get their history concerning how long they've been selling and honoring their insurance policies so that you can rest assured that you've got a reputable and well-respected, as well as trusted, company. Term life insurance can give you a confident, wholesome feeling concerning your family's future. Cover the ones you love. Remember, life insurance is love insurance. It's here to help. We hope that you can see the value in this money move moment, and remember that we'll be bringing you more of these. So check in and hit that bell so that you will be notified. See you next time.
Okay, we're out. We're going. We're really out. Goodbye.